yesterdays. Whispers in the breeze like golden days. Every shadow tells a distant tale. Dreams and sighs in an endless trail.
Laughter echoes from the cobblestones. Silent secrets carved in weathered bones. In the night the stars remember when we were young and bold as lions then.
Hold on tight to these memory streets, where the past and present gently meet. In the corners of our wandering minds, pieces of our hearts that we will find.
Footprints fading in the twilight glow. Time's a river we can never know. Fragile moments like a spider's thread, woven stories in the paths we tread. In the quiet of a sleepless dawn, shadows waltz till the night is gone. Across the years in a gentle haze, I see your smile in 1,000 ways. Hold on tight to these memory streets, where the past and present gently meet. In the corners of our wandering minds, pieces of our hearts that we will find. To these memory streets, where the past and present gently meet. In the corners of our wandering minds, pieces of our hearts that we will find. faces my cheek. A shade of gold brushes the weak. In the silence, dreams still speak, finding solace where hearts leak. Under trees where shadows play, we chase echoes of yesterday. Words unsaid and skies so gray. In this clearing, thoughts decay. Softly now the wind does sing, carrying the notes on fragile wing. Every sigh a gentle string, whispers in the wind to bring. Lanterns glow in twilight's hue, fading whispers bid adieu to the night we both once knew. In the dusk where truth is due, stars align in distant tales, charting paths on moonlit trails. In your eyes the mystery pales, lovers lost in midnight sails. Storm unwinds in frail design, moments slip through fingers fine. In the quiet love aligns, echoes of our intertwine. Lanterns glow in twilight's hue, carrying the notes on fragile wing. Every sigh a gentle string, whispers in the wind to bring. Whispers in the wind to bring. Lanterns glow in twilight's hue, fading whispers bid